Welcome to NimConf 2020, the first NIM online conference. I'm Andreas Rumpf, NIM's PDFL, and I'm very proud to have so many diverse talks to share with you today. But first, a couple of words about NIM. So NIM is a systems programming language. We released the version 1 in September last year, which is our way to say from now on there will really be a very good backwards compatibility story, and it's a long-term stable release. So if you are a bit concerned about the number of RFCs and proposed enhancements, well, don't be afraid. We know how to make these things compatible with the existing NIM. As I said it, NIM is a systems programming language, even though I'm beginning to dislike this term, because NIM is very well suited for all kind of tasks. It's a general purpose tool. So in other words, NIM is for everything, but maybe not for everybody. Obviously there are differences in taste and style, and so NIM doesn't try to please everybody, but NIM tries to be very good for every task that you can come up with. And this general purposeness is reflected in the talks, so we will see how to use NIM for targeting tiny embedded devices or a Game Boy, or how to make it talk with a Godot game engine, how to run it on Android phones, and how to use it for highly advanced multi-threaded problems. So let me guide you through the conference. We'll start with an introduction into NIM by Dominic Pichetta, and then we'll learn how to make games quickly with the Nico framework by Jess Imbox. And then we'll learn that NIM can be used as a REPL too. iNIM is Back is the talk's name, by Tristram Oten. And by the way, if I mispronounce a speaker's name, I'm sorry, please excuse me. Then we'll, somewhat related to the REPL, there is a way to you embed NIM script into your applications, presented by Peter Munch-Ellingson, also known as P-Munch. And then we'll have a coffee break. After the break, Francesco Camelli will tell us how to create a domain-specific language in NIM targeting audio programming. The framework is called Omni. And then we'll see how NIM can fit on a very tiny embedded device, NIM in a light switch, programming the ASP8266 by Christian Jacobson. And then we learn about Game Boy Advance development in NIM by Jeremy Clark. Then there will be a long lunch break. The goal is also to align the time zone to the US specific needs. So after the lunch break, I'll give a talk about NIM's upcoming way to do memory management called org. Then Matthias Schablinski will tell us how to assemble Android APK files with NIM. The framework is called DALI. And finally in this block, Mami will explain to us how to write multi-threaded programs and how to debug them, and or even how to ensure by construction that they are correct. There will be a coffee break and the final block with 5 more talks. So we start by learning about the decimal number system from John Dupuy. So decimal 128, when, how to use, is the talk's name. Then we'll see that NIM can also be used as a dynamic website generator by Jason Jones. The framework is called, or the tool is called Gerbil. Somewhat related, web development, we'll see how Jester can be improved with plugins by John Dupuy once again. we will see how to rethink UI development within the fidget framework by Andre von Haug. And last but not least, we'll see how Nim can talk to the Godot game engine, and the project is called Inu from Scott. So after every talk, there will be, hopefully the speaker will be online in the YouTube chat so that he can reply to your questions. And after all the talks, we might be able to set up a Mumble or Twitch channel for more face-to-face interactions via webcams. So I hope to see you there.